Hey, this is D. Adams, the E-mini trading professor. Boy, it was a very boring day on the market. I actually didn't really find a trade until late in the afternoon. It was just a giant move down. There was nothing too special about it. So I thought I'd show you something that I do in terms of how to scale out of a trade. And I love this strategy. You've probably heard me say I never let a winning trade become a losing trade. And this is a great way to make sure that that saying comes true. Of course, make sure you read our disclaimer. There's all sorts of important and pertinent information contained here. Hi, this is Dave Adams again. I thought we'd take a quick look at how I use specific exit strategy. It's one of my favorite exit strategies. We're not going to get too much movement in the market tonight because it's about 11:30, and you know it's very, very, very quiet at 11:30. But let's say on this particular day, I'm going to trade. I'm going to trade 3 contracts. I can put them in there. This is the Infinity AT Dome, and I really, really like it. You can do a lot of great things with it. I want to set this up with multiple exits, and I wanted my first exit. I'll exit one contract at 4. Ticks or 1 point. The second exit 1 at 8 ticks, which is of course 2 points. And yeah, you guessed it. I'll exit. My final exit will be at 12 ticks or 3 points. So I'm scaling out of this trade as I go, and this is one of my favorite ways to trade. Now, we're going to set our stop loss at 12 or 3 points. Now you can use the average true range if there's some extenuating circumstances. Perhaps you'll have to make it a tighter or wider stop loss, just depending on what the market's doing on that individual day. I'm also gonna once I hit my first exit at 1 point, I'm gonna have my stop move up to break even plus 2 or 2 ticks. So in essence, you've heard me say never let a winning trade become a losing trade, and when you do this, that makes sure that happens. I have it set on auto so that if I decide to, whenever I decide to buy or sell, this whole matrix is set up, and I'll show you how that looks. I usually don't buy at the market. Like here, if I was going to go long, I would probably set my buy, say maybe at 61.5 here, but just for the sake of illustrating, I'll show you. We'll buy it, and you can see this whole little matrix set up. And it's pretty neat. Here, of course, you have your first exit, second exit, third exit. When the price hits this first exit, the stop is going to move up to 62.25, and you'll still have these two going, and of course, you can manipulate those, as you see fit. But this makes sure that once you've hit 1 point, you're not ever going to let this become a losing trade. And that's the main idea behind the this particular strategy. It's one of my favorites. Try it and see if you like it. It might be something you want to implement into your trading. Well, you might try that strategy and see if it agrees with your style of trading. I've used it for a number of years, and I really enjoy using it. A lot of times too, once I hit my first two targets, I'll let that third one keep pushing it if we can, catch a runner or something, and that's a pretty effective strategy too. Hey, we want you to come visit us. We're at learntotradeandinvest.com with a whole bunch of hyphens in there. Our site's designed primarily for people who want to be educated and are beginning their trading careers. We also seem to run into a lot of intermediate estate traders, who are looking for a fresh approach. We'd love to visit with you, and make sure you stop by and say hi. All right, have a great day. Have good luck in your trading, and hope that helps.